Let's see the data types. It is important while we pre-processing the data. Based on structure, we can classify data as structured and unstructured data. Structured data means this can be organized in the form of rows and columns. Examples are this databases data, like if you take MySQL, data will be organized in the form of rows and columns, and retrieval, updation, everything will be easy if data is structured data. Examples are relational databases and spreadsheets. Unstructured data. It has no predefined format or organization, making it much more difficult to process and analyze. For example, if you take any data from the social networking sites, even from the YouTube, we cannot properly analyze this data. Means it is not in specific format. It might be audio, video. It cannot be organized in rows and columns. Examples of unstructured data includes text, video, audio, mobile activity, social media activity, satellite images. In conventional analytics, we will be dealing with this structured data. Business intelligence techniques such as descriptive analytics and diagnostic analytics will be performed on structured data. Advanced analytics such as predictive and prescriptive analytics will use this unstructured data. Even for these advanced analytical techniques, we need to convert this data into structured data. Then only machine learning models can analyze the data. We can divide data into qualitative and quantitative. Qualitative data, it deals with quality, concerns with description, which can be observed but cannot be computed. Means names, symbols, we cannot do any mathematical computations on them. And quantitative data that deals with the quantities, values, focuses on numbers and mathematical calculations, and it can be calculated and computed. Means we can perform mathematical operations on heights, weights, and temperature. These are the numeric values, so we can do computations. For quantitative data, we can construct this visualization. In qualitative data, we cannot perform those kind of operations. We can further divide this quantitative data into discrete data and continuous data. Discrete data can only take certain values, like the number of students in class. Means it will be fixed value, suppose 60, but it cannot be 60.1, like that. Continuous data can take any value. Examples are height, weight, and temperature, and length. Height can be 165 centimeters and 165.1 also. It can have infinite number of values.